Hello, and welcome to FHS Logistics Introduction to MGA, the Transportation and Event Management System for the retail industry, providing solutions that make retail logistics management easier, more efficient, and more effective. By way of introduction, we'd like to emphasize a key factor that distinguishes MGA from every other TMS you might have seen. MGA was custom designed specifically for the retail industry by retail logistics experts. In fact, the original MGA prototype was the embodiment of the ISO 9000 certified processes these professionals designed and developed to optimize the operation of their own business, managing the transportation needs of well-known retailers such as the Sports Authority, Michaels Stores, Garden Ridge Stores, DFS Group, and numerous others. Since 1997, logistics technology has continued to develop and enhance the software to maintain its innovative position, assisting retailers optimize their performance. MGA is the perfect fit for retailers precisely because its creators have been where you've been and done what you've done, so they understand exactly what you need to effectively manage both inbound and outbound transportation, as well as the other unique challenges in the hectic world of the retail supply chain professional. MGA is a process organizer. Utilizing MGA creates order out of chaos, just like a personal organizer such as MS Outlook brings order to your fast-paced day. In fact, imagine what your day could be like if events were no longer random, if you had a system that automatically gave you, your team, and your trading partners foresight of upcoming events and pre-notification of potential problems, so you could all function in proactive rather than reactive mode. While MGA excels in all phases of transportation management, it is far more than just another TMS. MGA is uniquely and especially powerful in the areas of event management and vendor and purchase order management. It is event and purchase order driven, focusing on proactive order management with over 150 customizable event management alerts built in. The system constantly monitors merchandise in accordance with each participant's personally selected milestones, such as impending deadlines, reporting exceptions to affected parties, and specifying necessary actions, thus actually preventing problems such as missed shipping windows or late shipments before they occur, dramatically reducing time spent on crisis management. MGA automatically disperses the information you want, when you want, to whomever you want, including internal participants, vendors, or carriers. MGA's centralized data storage is the hub of the logistics control infrastructure, with two-way state-of-the-art communication channels enabling universal information sharing and collaboration among all parties: logistics management, transportation coordinators, buyers, finance, sales, stores, distribution centers and cross-docks, as well as the carriers and vendors. While the various supply chain partners have different degrees of password-authorized access to specific information, all parties can enter or view their authorized data via any Internet connection at any time from any location. Developed in Java and Oracle for platform independence and utilizing real-time XML, MGA provides a common technology platform, enabling all partners to connect to the method of their choice, from mainframes to cell phones, whether they're highly sophisticated or technologically challenged. Validating MGA's approach, the June 2005 issue of Supply Chain Magazine reports, web-based portals are now becoming the preferred collaboration channels between companies and their suppliers. Easy-to-use self-serve tutorials located right on the web portal minimize implementation and training costs and ensure a quick, easy implementation. MGA can generally be implemented in less than 60 days with minimal operating disruption. And because MGA is a web-hosted software-as-a-service model, it is maintenance-free to the user, with no need for initial or ongoing in-house IT effort or expense. Most importantly, MGA's easily accessed data and collaborative functionality provide supply chain visibility and accountability, the key tools for retailers and their partners to plan, monitor, manage, control, and optimize every step of the process, from creation of the purchase order to final merchandise delivery. MGA's real-time logistics intelligence supports informed decision-making, improving the quality and value of day-to-day decisions and allowing managers more time to focus on their core business responsibilities. MGA's connectivity also keeps all parties apprised of current details, streamlining communications and dramatically reducing paperwork and redundant time-wasting phone calls, faxes, and emails. The diminished need for human intervention is a key ROI generator. In fact, the visibility and synergies created by MGA afford benefits to all of the retailer's internal participants as well as to the vendors and carriers. In an environment of constrained freight capacity, retailers who become good partners by instituting vendor and carrier-friendly operations create loyalty and achieve better on-time delivery rates, lower relative freight spend, and better capacity availability. Above all, MGA is the right solution because it is the right combination of factors: flexible, simple, effective, and most importantly, affordable. A system is only as useful as it is usable, and while MGA is highly robust and configurable to the user's needs, it's not overkill. MGA is both practical and cost-effective, providing the exact functionality you do need without the expense or complication of features you don't need, ensuring that you actually get your return on your investment. Consequently, MGA is much easier to use and much lower cost than an enterprise TMS. MGA functions perfectly as a standalone transportation and event management system. However, it can also be easily integrated with internal systems, including other TMS or ERP systems, often enhancing the value of existing systems. In their 2004 research study, the Aberdeen Group reported, portal solutions often result in higher than average improvements in the number of perfect orders and reductions in discrepancies and data errors. And furthermore, that even greater improvements are possible when companies go beyond information sharing to use portals for real-time monitoring, exception handling, and a collaborative balancing of supply and demand. In fact, the Aberdeen Group report confirmed what MGA's creators knew from their own personal experience, that using MGA dramatically improves operational efficiency, customer service, and data quality, while at the same time reducing both hard dollar and soft dollar spending. The results, of course, are increased sales and reduced costs, thus generating an immediate return on investment as well as enhanced long-term profitability. In fact, one retailer reported that MGA delivered savings of over $1.8 million in just the first 8 months after implementation. That's a 12% reduction in overall freight costs. If results like these sound appealing to you and you'd like to learn more, we can arrange for a live demonstration of the MGA system in action. For the demonstration, we begin by introducing you to the web portal for a hypothetical retailer. We then follow the chronological progress of a typical transaction, beginning as the vendor receives the purchase order, then moving to the transportation coordinator, and finally to the carrier and merchandise delivery. In the course of our journey, we illustrate the following MGA features and functionality: the web shipping portal, vendor and purchase order management, shipment requests, purchase order validation, load planning, optimization, rating, and electronic load tendering, track and trace, event management and alerts, and finally, reporting and analysis. So if you're a results-oriented manager, we look forward to discussing exactly how the MGA Transportation and Event Management System can help you and your company achieve your goals. For further information, please contact FHS Logistics Headquarters at 800-930-4006 or the FHS associate who introduced you to MGA.